This is the launch. Way late. Okay, leaving town. A lot later than I anticipated. Passed my first biker. Sort of comforting to know that I'm not the only one out here. Got both lights on the front. Back. So, quaint town. When you come to a fork in the road, choose the one that goes up. Starting to get a little cramp. Hopefully it goes away. I guess I won't be needing gas. Food, yes. Crapping out there about 20 minutes ago. I hit the hammer time, and oh my, gives you a jolt. Like some more switchbacks. This would have been easier. Just past the 5,000 mark. That little bush is. All right, just paid $15. That was good. Clouds are coming in now, so they're just getting a little thin. Just cramped again. 1,000 more feet.